Hi, I'm Carol Angersani. Spring is here. That means it's spring cleaning time. Many products are available to help you clean your home faster and easier. Disposable cleaning wipes are one example. There are furniture wipes, window wipes, floor wipes, even carpet cleaning wipes. You can get them at all types of stores. I got these wet mop wipes at Family Dollar. They are sold under Family Dollar's new Homeline store brand. They can be attached to a wet mop for a quick cleanup. Once you're done, you simply throw them away. While I was at Family Dollar, I also bought these disinfecting wipes, which can be used for all types of cleanups. And then I went to Target and I got these eraser pads. They're made with a unique textured material that can clean even stubborn crayon marks and scuff marks from walls. Next, let's talk about one way to free up some of your time so you can tend to all your spring cleaning work. Thanks to the growth of meal kit delivery services, more people are making restaurant-quality meals in their own kitchens in about 30 minutes or less. But did you know some supermarkets also sell meal kits? I just ordered this meal kit that's sold exclusively from online grocer Peapod. Peapod is owned by the same company that also owns Stop & Shop, Giant, Martin's, and other supermarkets. Peapod recently expanded its meal kit line with new recipes. Each kit sells for $13 to $20 and feeds 2 people. The best part is, unlike the big meal kit delivery companies, no subscription is necessary for Peapod meal kits. I chose a $14.99 kit for steak au poivre, a classic French recipe for steak and pepper sauce. The kit contains everything needed to make the meal, including a 10-ounce steak, potatoes, broccoli, and a store brand can of beef broth. Kroger, Publix, and Giant Eagle are among other grocers that are testing their own meal kits as well. Finally, since no meal is complete without dessert, I'm excited to tell you about new brownies that Trader Joe's is selling for a limited time. These are no ordinary brownies. They're geared to all you coffee lovers because they're made with ground Sumatra coffee beans and extract. You can see the coffee grinds right on top of the brownie. Coffee from the Indonesian island of Sumatra is known for its rich, full-bodied character. These tasty treats will only be sold for a limited time, so head to the store now if you want to try them. Want to keep track of these and other new products and new ideas? You can read all about them in my monthly newsletter at storebrandsusa.com. It's free, and I'm happy to send it to you. Just email me at carol@storebrandsusa.com. See you next month.